about, or you may have eaten some of the food, but never got around to seeing the oven itself and how that whole thing is. This is what it looks like. It's above the ground for Samoa. And they're heating up bananas. Those banana leaves are part of what's so important about keeping the steam inside. So what happens in the beginning, we build a fire big enough so we can heat up rocks. There are special firewood that you need to collect to heat rocks. And it takes 2 hours exactly for rocks to heat. So we collect the special firewood. We can't burn we can't collect firewood that may only burn for half an hour. We need for it to burn at least 2 hours, and we will truly have cooking rocks that are ready for cooking. So tonight you are looking at the unveiling part, but the part that you all missed is the part where we built it. To make an umu, it takes a lot of labor, like collecting stuff from the plantation. As you can see, those all leaves here were collected freshly for the umu. And then we collect coconuts. We have a guest here who helped us today, and there's much work that goes into making it. And it's one of the reasons why the Samoan oven and the cooking is done by men, because there's much labor-intensive activity that goes on making the umu, which could be a 2-day ordeal in collection and preparation. So what do we do to prepare? We get the firewood, we get these leaves, and then we go out and collect coconuts, husk them, and get the coconut cream. And the coconut cream is what we normally use for our seasoning. It's one of the very important parts of making an umu, is being able to get the coconut, because we have these special dishes that we put in the umu, like take the coconut and mix it into the fish casserole. Or making palusami, we have these special dishes. But look at this, it's been cooking for 3 hours. So after you build a fire, you cook the rocks for 2 hours, and then you level it. By that time, all the firewood is burned out. And then you level the rock, and then you place food on it. You can have as many different levels of the umu, but at this point we only have 2. The top one layer, you're watching now, Cattleman is pulling out bananas. Those bananas is something that, this is our starch and our dessert. Right now he's picking the dessert banana. But we also have starch banana that we eat like we do bread. We have Barefoot in the umu, and we're collecting them now. These are a special kind of dessert. You love that one. It's so good. It's all really good. And then you see those round cups. Those are actually coconut shells. After we scrape the coconut, and then we make these special dishes, and we pour them back into the shell, and that's what you're looking at. And then we got prawns in them. We got baby taro leaf. It's our very special dish, and it's called palusami. Baby taro leaves, again, is seasoned with coconut cream, and it's a very special dish that no Samoa will enjoy the umu unless there's palusami and paella in it. It's special. These two is basically what makes an umu. And then we have squash, breadfruit, fish, pork, chicken. We have some things, but basically most of the other stuff that you see now are things that we got from our plantation in the backyard.